Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Brand Tech Compare. Today we are comparing Realme P1 5G versus Redmi Note 13 5G. Display features. Both phones have the same size 6.67 inch and resolution Full HD plus AMOLED display, so there is no clear winner here. OS and processor features. Realme P1 5G has a newer Android 14 out of the box and the more powerful MediaTek Dimensity 7050 processor, whereas Redmi Note 13 5G has Android 13 and uses the less powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6080 processor, but likely to receive update to 14 soon. Memory and storage. Realme P1 5G has a lower base storage of 128GB but offers expandable RAM up to 8GB and expandable storage up to 2TB with micro SD card. Redmi Note 13 5G has higher base storage option of 256GB and expandable storage up to 1TB with micro SD card. Camera features. Realme P1 5G has a lower megapixel main camera, that is 50MP, but might be better for HDR due to in-game support, whereas Redmi Note 13 5G has higher megapixel main camera, that is 108MP, for potentially sharper photos. Battery and power features. Both phones have the same 5000 mAh battery, but Realme P1 5G boasts faster 45W charging compared to Redmi Note 13's 33W. But the best choice depends on your priorities. If you prioritize the latest software, a more powerful processor for gaming, faster charging, and a massive amount of expandable storage, the Realme P1 5G might be a better choice. But if you prioritize a higher megapixel camera or a higher base storage option, the Redmi Note 13 5G might be a better choice. Thanks for watching the video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome tech comparisons. Let us know in the comments below which phone you are most interested in. Thank you.